Top of the morning, YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, so we already got a idea of what 930 did. You can basically see that we did gap into premium. Currently, we are inside a gap right now. All right, go ahead and see what's going on. Alright, so the first thing we did going into midnight opening was definitely run into this 1 hour. I mean, we did it previous. We did it last week during the Asian range section. More like to close out Friday's price range. What I'm gonna do, this is too loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip this. Alright, go ahead and what's the low here? 37 2/4, and the high is 84. No, 84 2/4. So we got a 1 hour here. City, we respected. Again, I still have those sell side for ES, which could possibly possibly get hit and target after. Let me show you guys real quick. You guys can see those erratic equal lows. So there you go. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. I don't think your mic is on, bro.
Yeah, my mic's on.
Oh my god.
I wasn't sure if you were streaming or if you were like
Oh
recording.
no, no, no. I'm letting you do your thing. Yeah. What's going on, bro?
For sure.
Chilling?
Chilling, bro. Just tired as hell, you know.
Come
That
on,
vibe.
man. I feel that. I feel that. I feel it.
Yeah,
So,
bro. It's a Monday, so I don't expect us to have like major moves,
yep.
but I do expect us to range, um, which is exactly what it looks like we're
We
gonna
have
start
some.
doing.
We got some equal low for ES. Did you trade ES?
Yeah. I saw the equal lows on ES for sure too. Um, looks like NQ's just stalling at the bottom.
Just doing my little markup first, if it for anything. But I don't like the fact that we in between. Since I trade the hourly, I don't like the fact that we in between those two hourly. I would like to either be below it or continue. Because honestly, if there's no news, usually we trade into the gap that was done between Friday and Sunday, which we already in.
Yeah.
We gonna see what's up though. We gonna see what's up. We gonna see what's up. What's the low here? 49.25. What is the close? 29.75.
I have my area marked up already for the orb, the 15-minute opening range. So we'll see what it decides to do. Either it's gonna decide to break down and take out orders below um, Monday's lows, or we're either gonna range here, which that's what I think we're gonna do.
Range and shit, right?
Yeah, I think we're just gonna range today, but might look like we're not. I mean, not that we give out signals or anything like that, but it might look like I might not place a trade today, just because the way that it looks like it opened up, and now it's moving.
That's a fact, bro. Might be one of those days that we're gonna have to wait and see, bro.
Yeah,
50,
exactly.
25.
Especially after that hectic move on Friday, right? Like, how nice would it be to catch that entire move, right? Or like more than half of it. I didn't catch the entirety of it, but obviously because we're on prop firms. But I mean, once there's a big
Yeah.
move like that, either we retrace back right away, or we end up stalling for a bit and ranging in the area. Which I mean, if you zoom out to the 1 hour and 4 hour, how you were doing before, we're still like we're back inside of a range, like in the range we were in before that we couldn't break out. So
See, man, this is she gonna let us know what she gonna be doing. Definitely let us know.
it's gonna break down, bro.
They got the dollar
It
moving
already
up.
did, huh? It already did. Damn, I saw that way too late. It's all good though.
When she broke out. Oh yeah, she did broke out.
Yeah, she broke out, but it's all good. Like I'm not too worried about it.
I'm gonna mark up those low that is possibly that possibly targeting those sell sides.
Yeah, it's for sure targeting. Yeah, you're right, bro.
52.25. Yeah. All right. Got those marked up. What time is it? 10. 9:50. So around this time, we're gonna have price move. Around 9:50. Usually price start moving. So let's see. Yeah, back into the gap range that we formed this week between Friday and Sunday. What did we do? 9:30. Okay. Okay. And I don't like how it's going down like that because the fact that it's going down, coming back up is gonna be a bitch. But I do
Come
like
on,
it.
bro.
I like the hourly though. Like usually I follow the out since I do follow the hourly. I would just focus on the fact that we have this one brolic candle, and it would not like what you called. If I was to take like a trade, I'll probably just take it to like the high that was created at 9:45. But I do like that one candle that was just forming the hourly. Now we just deep in discount, bro. What the fuck?
Over 100. We're gonna keep falling, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Like shit. on. Go ahead and mark this 15. Yeah, I'm gonna mark the 15 for the on NASDAQ. It's like a 15-minute inversion in here. I want to see what it does.
Holy damn, that continuation down, bro.
5150. I told you, bro, around this time, bro, she gonna move. 950. You want to start, bro, you should start looking into that, bro. 950 to 10 times since you trade before, like, around, since you trade around 10. I mean, 9. 950, bro, around there, you gonna get a good move, bro.
Well, yeah, I mean, usually that's why when I trade the 945 and I just didn't get into it because I was looking at other charts. So I was just like, not really paying attention, but
I felt that, bro.
good.
Yeah, you drink a little coffee. What's up with your coffee? Where's it at?
Not near me, not where it should be.
You can say not where it should be. Yo, bro, imagine you snap the finger so your wife could bring you a thing. You're like, who the fuck you snapping your finger, huh? They hear you like dead eyes just fighting and shit. Like, yo, he's getting it. Oh shit. Alright, so now I definitely know that we trading below these areas. I do see something that I do interest, which is I do like that. Okay, I like that we just did that. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, cause if continue going down, you don't have to fake. You know that. I'm gonna target those lows. See if I can get a position to target those lows. Calm. You belong with me. Look at her go. Alright, so we just ran those equal lows for ES. Alright, okay. Tony Montana, hein? Talk to me, talking on the West, man. You know, into this little microscope, make sure that she did. Yep, she did. She there, man. She there, man. She did with the thing, man. Oh my god, man.
Well, I mean, I missed my strategy, which is all good, but it played out.
Goosh, man, you goosh. Yes, taking a dump today. He took a dump, nice dump, a good dump. took a good dump today, man. Nice shit. Let's see if she takes out even. Take that low, another low that I have around 6,011 for ES. And let's see, man. Yeah, 2 more minutes to my thing. Tony Montana, man. Tony Montana. Yeah, you know, people gonna go crazy. Oh my god, you call that dumb? You call that dumb on Q? You say that? You gonna go crazy. Motherfucker 8. Make sure we don't have, because sometimes the economic should be like updating. Yeah, we already had it at midnight. It wasn't even USD news. It was just chief news. That was one of the slowest pairs ever, bro. CHF. When I used to trade forex.
You have one of the what slowest what?
No, I'm saying like when I used to trade forex, CHF was a very slow pair. Super slow pair. Okay, we slowing down. Yeah, she's slowing down. Maybe she's slowing down. Maybe no, man. Maybe not. She's continuing.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Or am I installing here?
Guess she don't keep tanking, huh?
Looks like it.
Yeah. I ain't see nothing for me to get in. It is what it is. Look at that. See the line, man. Oh, you shit. Damn, bro. Who's the one with the capitals, bro? Yo. Alright, let's see. I want to see what happens after she take out these lows. Yeah, bro. Who's up with the who's the one with the capitals? Let's see, cause sometimes when I have a low markup, it won't get taken out. And yeah, one more small little retracement before she does. So let's see, cause ES already took out all the areas in which I had marked up. Let me go ahead and show YouTube. All right, y'all. So these were the lows that I have marked up with these for ES, and you can see after midnight, boom.
Oh my god.
He did a little low at 2, came back up, and now retrace back down. Not retrace, but decline, continue declining. So, yeah.
trade today.
Yeah, it happens, bro. You took one yesterday, didn't you?
Last night on my funded account, yeah. Sorry, on my not a funded account, bro. On a prop account.
Nah, yeah, you ate on that motherfucker. Alright, boom. She took that low out. Okay, she took out 21,510. And she is still taking a dumpy, a dookie. And this is what happens, y'all. Sometimes it leaves without you. And this is the time where you just gotta start paying attention now. Because if you try to catch a falling knife like this, you could
Now
get yeah,
now you're gonna get sliced. You're gonna get
yeah.
sliced.
You gotta know what the hell you gonna deal with. You know what I mean? And be prepared. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like you can't be scared as well. You know, if you are gonna take a trade, catching a falling knife. There's a reason why at this point I'm gonna just see if we could get a retracement now. That's the best bet for me, especially since it's deep in discount.
When you buy the lows and they keep going lower,
He ain't playing. He not playing, man. She don't no playing joker, man. Doctor man, you doctor man. Okay, let's sign. I want to mark this one too. Let's mark this only in here. We just coming back into it. Alright. Is that not here? Oh, 350. Got that. 89.50. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Shang wow. So understand, I know that you do have your family down there below, just in case. Like this. My stomach. he is doing things.
Yeah, bro. And I'm only gonna be here for like another 30 minutes, so like
Fuck.
I said, I think I'm not taking a trade at all. Just because the train left without me, so looks like I'll buy a ticket for tomorrow.
I'm fucking dead.
And
Man. Mm-hmm.
right exactly where I had my line at, my resistance line, that's where it bounced off to.
Oof. To the T, marked out to.
What's up?
I said marked it. You marked it to the T.
Yeah, I marked it at 21 444 and 443, and it bounced off of 35, so 435, so right around my
Sheesh.
area.
Just swinging, you know. Alright, so he just formed this farm in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up. One, 23. Let's see if we can at least push. Like these right here, just in case it wants to retrace into them.
All right, guess who's closing their charts? This guy.
Okay, well,
I'm closing at least my trading charts, not my FFM. I mean,
trade view.
not my trading. Yeah, just gonna keep looking to see what the market does, see what I can expect next time. Especially because there was no major news today.
I
There's no
know.
major news this week. I don't think there's major news this week either. So,
Uh, there's a
did
couple
you
of
see
like,
anything?
nah, there's a couple of just red folders, but not like CPI and PPI
That's
or
weird.
PMI.
Well, actually, it's not weird. Since we had news last week, there's probably a continuation of the move,
Possibly.
and then yeah, we're probably gonna start finding a new range.
Some reason I feel like she could even continue even going lower, bro. But let's see if she's picking up a little bit more order before she does. Okay.
I've seen it where like we'll go heavy into discount, then we'll come back up to the area we were at,
And then
and then just
continue
heavily
on.
reject it. Like you said, pick up orders and then just fucking dump.
Regular shit. Oh Lord, thank you for everything. Alright, so I'm figuring it out. Still. Alright, this was a little small in 5 minutes that I have marked up. Let's see what it does in there. We got about 1 more minute of this. Maybe deep in discount, so let's say I want to see if I can catch something going up. Alright, so we did close above it. Let me get a position here. Let's see. We'll go ahead and take a buy from here. See what's up. Not too crazy, see? Just 1 minute. She playing right now. Let's see. Man, my stomach going crazy.
I don't want to push up.
Yeah, it's not. I'm about to close this. Yeah. 340 on my shit. That's a no-no.
Let me see if they send me my code so I can activate my funded accounts.
Hopefully they did, my boy.
Not yet.
Alright, so this was the initial area that we wanted to see it. So I hit my daily of the day, which is 460, and that's about it for me today. So I took two trades. One of them was because I already told you I have that shit automatic stop.
Right, and it just closes your account, right?
Yeah, so it just closed for me.
Good shit.
Yeah, bro. That's how you do it. That's how I had to do it because I would get out of control. And yeah, bro. So it is
You
what it
gotta
is.
you gotta have the safeguards in place in order to keep yourself alive, right?
Bro,
So
it's one. For me, it's one of the best things I figured out. I found out. Go ahead and
that's why
yeah,
that's why I have stops.
that's what
So
I'm saying. I don't use stops,
yeah,
so that's how I'm like, okay. So if I don't use stops, then this is the best
you gotta
thing
use
for
something
me
else,
to.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's the best thing for me to do, bro.
100.
Yeah, so yeah, you're gonna continue going lower, which is it's on her. All right, y'all. So this is our P and L for the day, 460 on each account. I would say we took one position and a half because automatically we close out and make short of that, which I believe is about 20, maybe 27, 26%. So you want to see what she wants to do. I'm gonna still have all my areas marked up. Who the hell? I hear somebody throwing up outside. Like they like, oh, they go bananas. They going bananas, nanas. Crazy how she just went back into that 5 minute, tap into it, and reject off for it. Let's see. Let's see. She was not playing no games today, bro. She was straight to business on. Oh man. I mean, I don't even feel bad about taking that buy because we deep in discount, and she came into an area, a 5 minute, and just, you know what I mean? Like,
You were looking for a continuation up.
I was looking for a continue to go up. Yep. She just filled in, balanced everything out. Like it was better for me because I seen it. It create an inversion FUG after it filling in the 5 minute that we have marked up around that formed at 10 a.m. and at 10:10 she closed above it, which became inverted, and I just waited for it on the 1 minute, and he didn't respond. But hey, man, I mean, again, we did gap into premium, so usually what happened is, let's see, yeah, usually sometimes we might have those days, brother.
100. And that's why I didn't when I saw the break of my strategy, I didn't take it because like I was already a little too late. And you know what happens? Like you end up chasing something and it ends up coming back and haunting you pretty much, you know?
Bro.
So that's why I was just like, you know what? Usually I'll sometimes, not usually, but sometimes I will jump into a trade like if it's left me. Like I'll not too much, like if it's left me by like 15, 20 points, I'll still take it just because it hasn't moved too much. But
Bro,
it's
this
still
is
kind of like
wild,
it's still kind
bro.
of risky.
This is fucking ridiculous. You know what I mean? Like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Not a fan of it, but fuck, bro. Wow. Still, it's still respecting the 5 minute. We still inside of it, so I'll go ahead and still got this marked up here. Yeah, I had to have that shit because usually I don't have it to the point that I have it marked up, and yeah, it's not good. So I prefer it having it marked up. It is what it is. What we doing tomorrow? Hopefully tomorrow we have something. Eat something. Man, I feel like it's gonna give that move after freaking took us out, bro. Ah, man. Oh.
You're like that guy that puts out his sports bets, and when he doesn't hit, he comes back and starts crying. He's like, he's like, you guys are stupid. He's all like, you think I'm really gonna be crying? I'm like, yes. I'm like, you fucking lost.
Oh man, yeah, but we've been
It
lately.
is.
It is what it is.
It is exactly. We take what the market gives us. We don't force anything. So
Man, I already the good something that I've been noticing is when I see something I'm gonna do it. I do it. That's what I've been doing lately, and thank God for those stop loss that I had marked up on there. It did what it did, but mm, even though we could have cut that first loss a little bit shorter, but we're gonna learn. We're gonna learn. Until we're gonna learn about. We're gonna study it, learn from that mistake. The first trade it went over about like $300, but hey man, can't do very much. We enter around this 10:15 as well, cause usually we had it. I wanted to see it reject off from this on the 1 minute from this 10:01, right? And yeah, she didn't. She didn't do that. And we was taking this nice low resistant trade going up into here, but he didn't do that. And like usually, what I was not hoping, but targeting was into these 5 minutes and here in Sibi, sell sign efficiency, buy sign balance, as well as here, and a possible back into a new week opening gap because again we have no news. So I would expected it at least to come back into that and then continue going lower, but it is what it is right now from the scene of it. She looking like she wants to continue going lower at the opening and premium. Still trying to figure out besides from here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like she just 10-16. Yeah. Hey man. Did we have this save on ES? No. We had it on the 5 minute that it hit. Yeah, so she's gonna just continue going down lower. Respecting.
and then you didn't have your
Oh no, yeah, bro. You
daily
wanna no. I
profit
would
on
have.
it.
Yeah, I would have make sure you wanna.
This is exactly why you have it, right? You're like, this is exactly
Yeah.
why I have
Nah, but I'm more strict. I was just more a little bit exotic with Top Step, but with Apex, yeah, bro. I'm more. Like I be on that shit. I don't play that. I do not play that shit. Mm-hmm.
extended the sale. What the hell?
Mm.
Like
You one
for
of those
FFN, they
days.
have a 50% off plus no activation.
For what?
For FFN.
Oh, they expanding that shit? Yeah, I'm gonna stick it out right here because I'm still trying to pass this shit.
Wait for a BOGO. I really want to buy one get one free, but I don't know if they're gonna come out with one since they extended this. Kind of weird. Alrighty. I mean that's a game, bro. Like
Nah, yeah, I'm just
I'm not
studying right
placing a
now.
trade.
Yeah, just studying that
Tell me
motherfucker.
about it.
I'll share the screen for now in the meantime. Pretty good. Fucking perra, bro. She's a perra. That's what she is. Oh, man, a perra.
Yesterday when I looked at the 1 hour, um, I honestly thought like that we were gonna continue down, but during Sydney, and when I saw the volume come in right when we opened up,
Yeah, bro.
like that's when I took the trade for going. Like I did take a long, but um, well, when I was waking up today and I saw like the stalling and like no continuation up
Yeah,
from like where I took profit at, I was like, we're either gonna range here. That was my initial thought, and I was like, and if not, then what I said yesterday was gonna happen, and we flushed. I'm
bro.
gonna start recording myself fucking talking about this
You
because
should, bro. Cause I had the video I recorded yesterday. I told myself, I'm like, yo, I want to see her go into sell side, but the way I want her to do it is to open at 9:30 and discount. Because if you was to open in premium, then we definitely gonna take out those sell side, and that's exactly what we did. And if you would have
yeah,
did that, I would have been waiting for the discount because I'm not gonna catch that falling knife like that, bro. You know what I mean? Like, yeah,
yeah,
bro. Recorded that shit. Put that shit up on YouTube. But it is what it is, bro. We're just looking for these longs because, again, the fuck, like, shit, bro. Like, it's been a minute since I seen a day like a day like this, like one brolic ass day. Not a minute. I'll probably say like maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks ago.
yeah. You're right. Like around 2 weeks, I think, because last week we had news, and yeah, we were ranging. We were having big moves, but it was more of a range.
Man, she's slowing down.
Uh,
I don't know if you can see it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the way, like we still having
yeah, it is.
extensions a little bit to the downside, but bro,
Most likely gonna trade my live account tomorrow.
hey,
What I'm gonna
man,
do, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my. I'm not, cause I don't know if I told you, but I was placing my trades on my phone
yeah,
with Ninja Trader or with Tradeovate, like depending on which one was running smoother. Um, but yeah, I was doing that on my phone, and I was trading my prop firm on my computer. But now I'm just gonna strictly trade on my computer for both, like regardless, because on my phone, like I can set the stop losses and limits and stuff like that. Um, but it gets a little bit harder to maneuver with my stubby ass fingers. Like sometimes what I want doesn't really happen, or like where I want to place my stop, like I want to move it or whatever, and I end up releasing it too early or whatever the case may be because of my fingers. So it
gang.
just
I ain't
makes it
gonna
more
lie.
difficult.
I've been trying to ever since I got funded my second account with Apex. It's been a fucking roller coaster on that shit, bro.
Why?
Like a fucking roller coaster, huh?
Why?
Like I got it to since it's a 25K account, I got it one time to like 25 and to 25,600. Ever since then, bro, it's been a fucking roller coaster just to get it back into the positive. Like I have
You're
about
you're down on it right now.
Yeah, I have about, cause like I said, bro, it was, I don't know, bro. And then I have 43 days or 44 days on my funded account, and right now it went from 1,600 to 700 between like a week or 2 weeks ago. So it's just been fluctuating up and down, up and up and down. So I'm holding on to it.
Damn, bro, take my signals. No, I'm kidding.
Nah, again, it's not even. I don't even know, bro. It's like I said, like it'd be days like this. I just try to look past it, stay positive and shit like that. So
Bro, did you
that
trade your
I,
funded account today?
huh? Yeah, bro. I
Did you
traded.
trade?
I'm taking it's six right now. I got them all like together. So what I put is I put 16 micros, and since this I put 10, 10, 10. So that's 60 for six account, and then I just take my partials, and those partials are 12. So I take 12, 12, 12, 12, which equals to I think maybe three, 3 to 4 partials, something like that. Yeah, so maybe more. It depends because usually I like taking my partials by twos on each account. That's what goes out to 12. So that's how we put in 12. But
Makes
yeah, bro,
sense.
I'm just standing thing because I'm pushing, bro. I'm trying to pay out these credit cards. I get my whip game
Yeah,
balanced
I feel that.
out, man.
I
Yes.
think I think when I was trying to like, well, back in the day, I had like a mentality of like I'm gonna pass these shits quick
Nah, bro, that's what I be
and buy
doing, bro.
up.
I be taking my time with these shits, bro.
Yeah, exactly. That's good because I had the mentality like opposite. I was just like I'm gonna because I wanted to pay off my credit cards too, and I was like I'm gonna do it with trading. You know how that
Yeah,
shit goes, bro. Like,
bro, it's crazy because um, I haven't been saying too much, but I don't really like how people are marketing, trading. I heard something. I heard a saying. I forgot where I heard it from. I was scrolling on YouTube Short, and somebody said that. Oh, I think her name was Hannah. I think Hannah or something like that. I don't know. I don't think it was her. Maybe somebody else. She mentioned, or he mentioned that the best um, the best traders are the one that be advertising. So they're not actually traders, but like more of advertisers. You know what I'm saying? Like they're be saying, "Oh, this, doing that," and they really good at it. And that's when a lot of new people come in and they be like, "Oh shit, I want to do that. I want to be part of that." And that's when they fuck up, bro, because they give them money and they use that money to trade. So at the end of the day, they don't really take a loss. So it's like the mindset of a trader like the mindset that they should have as a trader, they don't have it because they expect income to come in. And I used to remember coming up, I used to be like, yo, I want to do that. And not worry about, what I'm saying, like when I lose money and trading so that I could just go ahead and do what I gotta do and not worry. Next thing you know, I fall into that shit. That was not good, bro. It was not good at all.
damn, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I
Shit was not good at all.
I'm so lucky I didn't have that experience. I My homies from high school taught me how to trade, and they did have a Discord and stuff like that. And they would teach people. They would charge people like $20 like a month, bro.
Bro, think
And
about it. How many people they will have in there, and they will use that
that
money, bro. Which,
well, they didn't have a lot of people, bro. They had like 15 people.
bro, a month if you do the math, shit,
What,
bro.
15 people for $20 a month?
Bro, think about it, bro. What else did they had on the side
That's like
besides that?
that's like $200. I mean, they were working their 9 to 5, but they were trading themselves. They really didn't have any much else. But what I'm trying to say is like I got lucky. Like it's not about the Discord. What I'm trying to say is like more so about like the teaching because my homies taught me and they taught me where to look and they told me, oh, read this book, kind of thing. Like we're not gonna give you everything. We're not gonna tell you like everything we do right now because we don't want to confuse you and we don't want you to like get into a kind of headspace where you spiral pretty much because it's really easy to spiral in this. industry.
Mm-hmm.
So they gave me like homework and stuff like that. But um, aside from that, I was able to put in $3,000 into my crypto account and into my options trading account. And I in 2017 I grew 3K um, in stocks and in crypto from 3K all the way to $72,000.
Mm.
And um, that really messed with my psychology, like moving forward, like after I stopped trading with them because I moved away from options.
Okay.
Um, and that really messed with my psychology. I was just like, okay, it's not hard to make money, but like obviously you got to put in work. I knew that,
Mm-hmm.
but it felt my body felt like it was really easy to do that. So when fast forward to like after like my accident, because 2017 was before my accident. Um, I had spent my money. I was out of a job. Like I couldn't do shit because of my surgery. And in 2022, I started looking for a job. Or sorry, in 2019, like a year after my surgery, I was like, I'm gonna get my license and insurance, and I ended up doing that. I ended up hopping from job to job for like the next 2 years, from 2019 to 2022, or 3 years actually, until I found something. And my credit and my credit cards were like maxed out pretty much because I was trying to survive pretty much. And I was like, I'm gonna get back into trading because I know I can make the money pretty quick. So I found out about prop firms, and it's different. Obviously, there's different rules. It's not the same as you're trading live account.
Yeah.
So I thought I was gonna be able to make back some money quick and pay off everything quick. And for a year, I wasn't able to do shit. I was just buying combines. I was buying challenges, whatever you want to name it. Like I was buying them, and it wasn't until like I had a plan, and I was like, maybe I should just pay off my credit cards by myself and still focus on trading. And that's exactly what happened. I ended up paying off my cards since at the end of 2023, and ever since then, like trading has been a lot more smoother because you don't have to focus on the money. Like you can just focus
Yo,
on
bro, I'm glad you said that because that's been my goal, bro. Literally just pay my credit cards so that I don't gotta be worrying about too much. Cause I'm be honest with you, bro. I'm just more of like at this point, bro. I'm gonna be honest. When I first lost my car, I was devastated, bro. It was like I would say I should have close to already maybe half a month, like me half a year, maybe a little bit more. And then as time went, I was just like, you know what? I started understanding. I'm like, yo, they just focus on what it like the real shit. You know what I'm saying? Like this happened because you needed to balance out. You know, the last car you had, before the one that you gave, because I had a Nissan Altima, right? That was a gift from my mom. She gave it to me for graduation, and I was paying like $600. It was basically $1,200, 600 for insurance and the car. But I wasn't really, you know, putting money together because all my bread was just going to paying off the car. So I gave that car to stick with the other car that she had. I had to give that one back. Family issue and shit like that. So I was like, you know what, let me just give that shit back. It is what it is. Then I was like, yo, bro. I started thinking the train. I started thinking about how all this shit happened for a reason. But then I started falling in and I was like, yo, what do I need to do to pay off these cards? Because if I could pay off my credit card and have everything else moving, even with a job that is paying me close to $1,000 weekly or so, I'm good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because even though I might like last week, I had 2 days of trading only. Like in my head, I was like, okay, I had 2 days of trading, but I was still like crushed because it's like I be thinking like, yo, bro, my shit look like a graph chart. Like you see, like not a graph chart, but like a heartbeat chart. Like my life looked like a heartbeat chart in terms of like not growth, but like money. You know what I mean? Like it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then you have this one week where it just goes up and then goes up, down, up, down, up, down. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I be going through it sometime, bro. That's the reason why I don't really talk too much because I know myself. You know what I'm saying? I had a video on that too. I'm like, you gotta really just know yourself because if you're a person that have like really like bad temper, it's better for you to just stay shut instead of just throwing your garbage at somebody else. Everybody going through some
Right.
shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even today, bro, I'm thinking, I'm like, yo, bro, like I gotta be I gotta be delusional, bro. I be thinking like that. I'm like, bro, I gotta be on some delusional shit to just be in this
Yo,
industry.
hold up. Give me 1 second. Give me one quick second.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy. All right, so you guys see what's going on. The way she's going back down, she's a little bit exhausted. But again, we end up taking a we was seeking after this area in here close, right? And then price came back in there. We did get in a little bit late, and we was at least trying to target into these area in here. You guys could see as soon as we enter this area, we redirected them right back. Plus, this was a nice low resistant trade that I was looking to retrace into after being deep in discount. And like I mentioned before, I was looking for it to at least also go back into the new opening gap. We did open in premium, but going in through 9 all the way into 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 25, we just continued to just decline down lower. Again, I did see the close of this candle at 1010. That's the reason why I'm mentioning that this candle right here on the 1 minute, right after she closed, I wanted to see her come back into that, which she did. But I had highlight this area in here, and I seen that when it happened, that we had rejected off this inverted FUG in here. Gave a nice little push. It wasn't even crazy of a push, but she gave a nice calm push. We just got in a little bit late and ran into the 5 minute and gave a rejection off that. So you guys can see she is still ranging lower sideways. Have the same thing for ES. My red box right now, if you guys didn't notice what it is just the inverted daily inverted FG that we have marked up in the bigger time frame. So and then we had the 5 minute in here, which got respected again. This is a nice area in here that I was looking to have a retracement into, to even possibly inside this new week opening gap. But again, we left this unfilled, filled this one, and rejected off this one. And clearly see we are still pushing lower, right? So is what it is. Took 2 trades. And as you guys can see, I do have my daily limit for TraderBot so that I don't go over, because I felt like today I would have gone a little bit over and lost more than I should have. So there's the reason why I did that. Again, we always got to be honest with ourselves in terms of knowing where our psychology might go to, because you might go overboard and not even have a safety net. So that was my safety net. That was like my what's that word, my financial advisor, having that trader bot say, yo, 480, you're done. If you hit 480, you're done for the day. Just go do something else. And that's what happened. So you guys can see, we still continue going on lower. Currently we have this low in here. We do have another low in here for ES, but first one would be this one down here. Let me just go ahead and mark him up. Here.
All right, doggy. That's it for me.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
I'm gonna start getting ready for the gym and then
better
get
get
my
that
day.
work, man.
Yes, sir.
You already know the vibe, bro. Tomorrow another day. Good shit today.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you too, bro. All right,
Safety, bro.
take it easy. Yeah.
Alright, so we got about like 12 more minutes, and then we'll be done closing the shop. Notice how this, so we have this 1 minute in here, this black box in here, which is an hourly chart that we have marked up, which is all the way in here. This nice buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance that we had come into. So that's the reason why we had that marked up. 5 minute. That's how it looks. 1 minute is how it looks. Alright, so you guys can see same area that is marked on NQ, it's marked on ES. They're not in sync right now. One of them is continuing going lower, while the other one is slowing down as well and shifting. But the other one is going down, like she's ranging down lower. You know what I'm saying? She exhausted but ranging down lower, while the other one is ranging sideways but trying to push a little bit higher. So we back into that daily. Again, we win, we lose. We win and we learn some each and every single day. It's all about having faith and putting in the work. Because, like I said, I've been just pushing through, doing these study case, even when I don't feel like doing them. I still do them because I still learn about myself as a trader. And that is very, very important for me to annotate this growth. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We win, we lose some. It's all about, pushing forward. So that's all that matters. It's all that matters. So let's see if from this inverted area in here that we basically came into, see if she decides to push on higher now with ES, or maybe continue to tank. Daily stretch right there. All right. All right, so we are still pushing lower. Again, I do not feel bad or regret taking this buy up in here. I'm telling you guys, I do not regret it. I do not regret it. I do not regret it. I do not regret it, and I'm not going to regret it throughout my day. I'm just a little bummed out at the fact that it ain't going my favor, but it's trading, bro. What can you do? Just move on, move forward, push forward, and not look back. It's literally one of the best model you could tell yourself. No matter what you go through in trading, no matter what phase, no matter what type of day you have, it's truly very important for you to push and not look back. Burn that bridge. Take all the files, take everything that you did, all the lecture you learned, all the study case brief that you have, everything that has to do with growth that allow you to get where you currently are right now in your trading career, take that with you. But that bridge is burning back, so you don't gotta go back into that and be like, oh, I feel like I'm gonna stay here. It's way better than being over there. No, burn that shit. Just bring all your files with you and just keep moving forward. That's the best thing I got. Best advice. But you guys can see we're still pushing lower. Still pushing lower. 1 minute inverted. Couple times rejection. Marking up these lows down here. And as well for ES. But she still have this 1 minute being respected, so we got like 10 seconds out of it. It's gonna go ahead and close out below, which then is gonna go ahead and run up to these lows down here, which definitely, most definitely, yep, you can see it. If we don't do it on this candle down here, we're gonna possibly just tap into here and then go down. Got like 2 more minutes here. Again, it's not really much aside from her, seeing if she wants to continue and take all these lows. We already into 1050, 1110 micro. So let's see. Yeah, I would even be happy to be in a setup going down lower at all. Again, I did favor going up higher, but it is what it is. It is what it is, cuzzy. And this 5 minute wait, we waited for this 5 minutes to close, and look for a buy off this area in here, which I really enjoy that wick, but he just didn't find the strength to push off there. Got one more minute, and then we out of here. We out of here. Shorty said, I'm finding the strength now to go up higher. Well, I'm going to tell you something. There's going to be a good study case right here to do. A great study case. A great study case. All right, I'm gonna highlight you guys because this is about it for me today. I don't find any interest seeing market, or even taking a more trade, because like you guys seen it. We have 8 automatic stop loss set up that I had set up on the weekend to just make sure if I do lose my head, or get too into the charts, it will do it for me. So that's about it for me today. I'm gonna highlight you guys. Have a blessful Monday. Stay safe. Any laws that you guys go through, don't avoid it. Use it as lecture and figure out why it happened. Any wins that you guys attain, don't ignore it. Use it. Find out why it happened and move on forward. All right. That being said, I appreciate you guys. Love y'all. Stay safe. And again, 5 P's: pop-up preparation, performance. Peace.